Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys how to look extra AF, glam AF, my way. So let's get this started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get this started, okay? Okay, so I'm using the 35M palette and I'm using just two browns from here. So you can use any brown that you got. I'm using the first brown as in transition shade. So I'm adding it all over. Make sure to take your time and blend that really good. And then right here, I'm just using the darker one and I'm applying that all over my crease. So make sure to build that color up as much as you want and just add it all over your crease, but also blend in with a clean brush. I'm grabbing some concealer and I'm applying that with a flat eyeshadow brush all over my lid in a patting motion. You can apply it halfway, but for this look, I went ahead and applied it all over my lid. For some color, I'm grabbing the 35S palette by Morphe as well, and I'm grabbing this gorgeous maroon pink color that has gorgeous glitter, and I'm just patting that all over the concealer. Make sure to cover that, girl. Cúbrelo todo. Cover, cover, cover. So now, time for the glitter. The start of the show, I'm using the eye candy glitter in Taffy, and I'm putting the glitter glue by Too Faced all over my lid, and then I go ahead and add the glitter in a patty motion all over. Right here, I'm just going to clean it up a little bit with some leftover concealer and add my roller lash mascara by Benefit. It's literally now one of my favorites because it works really, really good. And now all you gotta do is set your face with whatever setting spray you like. I'm using the Too Faced setting spray, and there you go. You look extra AF, glam AF, ready for whatever. Even though Carlos says I look like a stripper, I don't know how he knows, but he says I look like a stripper with glitter. So to each his own. I feel like I look bomb. It looks wearable. So hope you guys have a good one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share with your friends. See you in the next one.